Guys, have you ever looked at a brand new skyscraper and thought, how do these things come together from just a patch of dirt? Well, behind every successful build, there's a construction project manager. They steer the ship, manage teams, and juggle budgets. I'm Daniel, and I have been a business owner for the past decade. On this channel, I'm sharing my insights with you. Today's video is your complete beginner's guide to becoming a construction project manager. If you love a challenge and want to see your work take shape right in front of your eyes, this could be your dream career. We'll walk you through every step, from education to that first interview. You'll learn a ton of new things whether you're starting from scratch or switching over from another field. And guys, before we get started, just a quick reminder. Check the description for helpful links and discounts you won't want to miss. But first, let me briefly introduce you to the construction project management from Course Careers. It is 100% online, self-paced, and gets you job ready in 6 to 12 weeks. You will learn directly from Ryan Ike Eisenhower, a professional with 20+ years of experience. The curriculum blends admin with trade coordination topics, so you can run sites end-to-end. And guys, you may expect resume help, a skills profile, and a certificate of completion. During the course, you will have unlimited one-on-one coaching, workshops, and even AI learning assistant. And a cherry on the top, a job search accelerator support for LinkedIn, applications, and interviews. You can try a free intro, choose flexible payment or one-time pricing, and get a 14-day refund if you need it. And now let's dive in. Alright, my friends, let's start with the basics. In short, construction project managers bring a team together to transform blueprints into reality. But they are not just giving orders, they are planning every step, solving problems, and coordinating the workers. A typical day of the manager usually involves reviewing project plans and blueprints. They also often estimate costs, set schedules, or select subcontractors. In this job, communication is huge as well, folks. You'll negotiate with vendors, update clients, and tackle problems early before they turn into bigger issues. Most importantly, you're holding the responsibility for safety. That means making sure everything complies with industry standards, local building codes, and that your teams are working safely. But guys, this job isn't just about organization. You need to think strategically, delegate, motivate, and adapt fast if things change. One day you might be crunching numbers, and the next you're brainstorming creative solutions when deliveries run late. And here's a fun fact, my friends. With new infrastructure projects and steady real estate growth, the need for skilled construction project managers is higher than ever. So if you're looking for a mix of office time and on-site action, this role is hard to beat. Alright, my friends, if you're getting excited about this field, you're probably wondering, how do I actually become a construction project manager? Let's break down the complete roadmap from beginner to pro. First off, education. Most construction project managers start with a bachelor's degree. The most common majors are management, building science, or architecture. This is where you learn stuff like structural design and building codes, guys. These are real-world skills you'll use every single day. And I know, guys, 4 years in the classroom might sound like a lot. But hang on, some companies consider candidates with 2-year associate degrees if they pair it with solid industry experience. For those looking for a shortcut, there's another rare path. People work their way up from hands-on construction jobs, starting with a high school diploma. But to be honest, this is getting less common, as clients want project managers to have higher education. And if you already have a degree in business or engineering, folks, you can boost your chances to join a master's program in construction management. It dives deep into project controls, risk management, and advanced leadership skills. And if you're looking for flexibility, there are part-time and online options. Next, my friends, you will need hands-on experience. Most future managers start as assistant project managers, project engineers, or field engineers. Here's where you learn the reality of the field. This is the period when you're getting used to solving real problems. And here is my advice for you. During these early years, notice everything you learn. Track your experience with cost estimating, scheduling, and contract administration. This will fill up your resume and help you qualify for your first official management job. Now, guys, let's talk about certifications. They will seriously help your resume stand out. For example, the Construction Management Association of America offers a Certified Construction Manager credential, and the well-known Project Management Institute offers the globally respected PMP certification. Overall, your basic recipe looks like this: bachelor's degree plus 3 to 5 years of project experience. Additionally, you may try to get certificates or join bootcamps that will teach you much faster. And remember that continuous learning will help you keep climbing the ladder. Next up, let's talk about your potential future in this job. Guys, before we continue, I'm happy to share my insights with you. And all I ask in return is that you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Thanks! So now let's fire up the imagination for a second. You've earned your degree, stacked up a few years of field experience, and maybe nabbed a certification or two. First, you'll usually enter the field as a project engineer, field engineer, or assistant project manager. In these early jobs, you'll be partnering closely with seasoned managers, learning how projects come together. After you're comfortable juggling tasks and people, my friends, you'll step up to junior project manager or project coordinator. Here, you'll start running small projects or major tasks within larger builds. You'll be meeting with subcontractors, problem-solving daily issues, and taking responsibility for cash flow and timelines. Once you've had some small victories, you'll finally become a project manager. You'll lead the project from start to finish. This includes hiring subcontractors, guiding teams, and keeping clients happy. Additionally, you will be responsible for profit and loss. But guys, it doesn't have to stop there. Ambitious project managers move up to senior project manager. Sometimes they manage several projects at once. In this position, they lead teams of other managers and engineers. And the next step is project director or construction operations manager. These guys oversee entire portfolios, design company policy, or even join the executive team. Finally, if you love being on-site, you can also progress into field superintendent roles. Here, you will lead crews directly, mentor new staff, and set the tone for safety and quality across big job sites. But what will you get for your hard work? I know, my friends, you're all curious about money. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the median salary for construction managers is more than $105,000 per year. It's a lot of money, and the top earners make well over $150,000. Another advantage, guys, is that the demand is strong and growing. This is especially important as AI continues to replace many jobs. With ongoing investments in public infrastructure, the need for talented leaders who can deliver on complex projects isn't fading anytime soon. Alright, my friends, let's break down the must-have skills that everyone in the industry is looking for. First off, leadership is everything. You're coordinating teams, resolving conflicts, and steering everyone toward the same finish line. You need to inspire trust and bring everyone together, from laborers swinging hammers to executives signing checks. Communication is right up there too. You'll be talking with architects, engineers, and city officials. Obviously, you can't avoid meeting clients or subcontractors as well, so clear reports, concise emails, and calm handling of tough conversations will set you apart. Next, guys, you should understand scheduling and budgeting. You'll need to master software like Microsoft Project, Procore, or Primavera to keep projects on track and under budget. Mistakes here can cost millions, so attention to detail is key. Safety is another huge aspect. Construction sites are risky places, and as the manager, you're the watchdog. Knowing the regulations of occupational safety and health administration is essential. You must make sure all gear and procedures protect your team. Finally, don't overlook negotiation and networking. Your ability to build relationships and find win-win solutions will move your career forward. Keep developing these skills, my friends, and you'll be a sought-after leader in the field. Alright guys, let's wrap it all up. We've looked at the roadmap, starting with a degree and building your way up through hands-on roles. There's a clear path, real growth potential, and salaries that stand strong against most other industries. This job is about leadership, creativity, and the satisfaction of seeing the real impact of your work every day. You'll rise to new challenges, develop lifelong skills, and make an honest difference in your city or community. Sometimes it can feel tough, the pressure can be intense, and you need to juggle a lot of moving parts. But for those who have a passion for building, it's truly rewarding. So if you're up for the challenge, construction project management could be the blueprint to a fulfilling high-impact career. Alright, my friends, and that's all about my construction project management roadmap. So don't forget to check those links in the description below. If you had a good time, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.